When it comes to intraoral scanners, you're probably in one of these three situations. Number one, you have a scanner, but you can take its utilization to the next level. Number two, you have a scanner, but you want to buy a second one and you want to know which one to buy. Number three, you don't have a scanner yet, or you're not using a scanner yet, and you want to start leveraging this technology. I want to talk to you about a course that will help you regardless of which group you're part of. I'm Christian Coachman, founder of Digital Smile Design, and I believe that when it comes to intraoral scanners, I'm in a privileged position to talk about this topic. First, because I've been pushing the industry for more than 15 years to use and explore better the scanners. And second, because I own a digital lab, receiving thousands of scans from dentists from all over the world. And because of that, understanding what is going right and what needs to be improved. And that's why we created this new course that I'm very excited to introduce to you, the Intraoral Scanner Festival, bringing the best information about scanners to you. This is a very unique course, and let me explain why. Number one, is the only course 100% only focused on intraoral scanning. Number two, completely agnostic, commercial free. We're gonna have all the major brands represented, generating honest analysis and pros and cons comparison. Number three, because of my network, I was able to invite some of the best experts in scanning, each one mastering each one of the brands that will be represented in the course. Number four, it's not only about the theory, but it's also about demonstration and hands-on. You're gonna see it, you're gonna learn it, and you're gonna do it. And finally, an ultra special experience beyond the course. This is a course with limited seats. Last course was sold out pretty fast. So my advice, get your ticket as soon as you can. The course ticket is $6,000, and that includes 3 nights at the top boutique hotel where the course is gonna happen. Very convenient, amazing food. All the meals during the course, plus 2 special dinners. One at the Ferrari Museum, unique, something just for few. And second, at the Pavarotti Museum, also very, very special. The only reason why we are able to organize dinners at these places is because of our dear hosts, the Anini brothers. Because they are local and they know the right people, they are able to find these unique opportunities for all of us. The ticket also includes the 2 visits to the Ferrari Museum and the Ferrari track, and an evening party with DJ and drinks. If you want to bring a partner with you, you only have to pay $1,000 extra. And that includes, of course, the hotel, all the meals, dinners, party, and the social events. To register is very simple. Just click on the link on this webpage and follow the instructions. I really hope to see you guys with us in Modena, with me, Christian Coachman, the DSD team, and of course, the great Anini brothers. We are ready for you. We are ready to share and network and learn and have an amazing time together. Believe me, taking your intraoral scanning technique to the next level is huge and will change your practice. It doesn't matter where you are in your scanning journey, come join us and take it to the next level.